Wadika everyone. Hi guys, welcome to the channel where you get to see everything and anything about Thailand. And today, our first ever series in this channel is ending, guys. Dwang with you is ending. It's the last episode today. We won't be able to see Puppy Dwang anymore. Like, oh my god, I can't believe it's ending. How is it ending? Whatever, guys. Keeping a big stone on our heart, we have to finish the damn series. And also, if you guys want to watch the previous episodes reaction, I'll put the playlist over here. Go and check it out if you haven't watched it. And this was also the most popular series in our channel. You guys loved it so much. You guys loved our reaction so much. But yeah, it's finally ending, guys. It had to end one day. I hope we get special episodes after this, just like we get in
Yes.
most of the Domandi series, Amandi series. So yeah, let's go and watch the final episode. Let's say goodbye to the one of the best drama series.
Yeah, and feel so like
It will be so
disheartened,
empty.
like it is
The
ending.
Saturdays will be so
Yeah,
empty.
feeling so dull right now.
Hmm.
Maybe we'll watch and then maybe we'll feel more dull. We'll feel more sad. Yeah,
Once
let's
we
watch.
start, everything is gone. Everything will be gone like this.
एक मिनट बाय एक घंटा 22 मिनट.
Do not skip anything.
I will not. I will not. We'll play it all, guys. We'll play it all. Wait a second. They are like in college and they want to go in summer break where जापान मतलब
Japan.
इतना पैसा मतलब समझ रहे हो
They have
थाईलैंड में भी
money.
नहीं कहीं कहाँ जाना है जापान
Yeah.
जाना है आहा वाह वाह
Phuket.
वेरी
Phuket.
गुड यहाँ कमा के भी लोग नहीं जा पा रहे हैं इंटर तुम्हें तुम कॉलेज में होके तुम्हें जाना है सही है
Phuket. चलता है.
I'll book the tickets वाह 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 पैसा जैसा तुम्हारा है ना
कहाँ से आते हैं?
I need generational wealth please
Me too.
नहीं हो पा रहा है
I,
नहीं हो पा रही strong independent woman
I can't struggle. I can't be the first person to, bring the generation wealth. I can't be that person.
see same I cannot
Then they go to Japan just because it's closer to them. But isn't Korea more closer?
มึงไงเธอโอเค
Without marriage, what honeymoon, huh? What honeymoon, your college students? Complete your studies first.
sorry sorry I was too I spoke to Sunson oh my god स्वीट हो रहा है मेरे से
เขิ
नहीं
น
हो
กว่าเดิมอีกก็
मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा ये
Why do they create
วันนี้
characters
วันครบ
like
รอบเดือน
this?
นี้นะ
Why?
อืม
ah
ด้วยอยากให้
It
ทริปนี้
makes
เป็นของ
my
ขวัญเธอ
standard
ไม่เอาอ่ะ
over here.
แพง ใช้ชีวิตแบบธรรมดา
You
ธรร
know
ม
who
ดา
is sitting in this side?
ไม่ต้องมีความฝันอะไร
Back.
कौन
Ah, Pio. This is their CEO. This is the executive EP.
Oh.
Executive.
You can recognize just from like the back.
The
How man?
hairstyle, bro.
How?
Hairstyle, bye.
Yeah, I get it. But maybe it could be someone else also, no?
हो सकता है
But ठीक है,
मुझे
okay.
लग because you know
Maybe
because
you'll
they
see
go there
posts about.
because wherever they go for travel he has to go because he is the producer of all, so he has to be there, so I thought
Yeah,
maybe he is there.
maybe he is. Maybe he
Maybe not.
is, and you'll get to see it on X. Someone will
Yeah,
post, I'm sure.
yeah, sure, if anybody recognizes then only.
ยังไง
I
อ่ะ
would feel incomplete
ก็
because I haven't seen
ไม่
it.
รู้เธอรู้ไหมธรรมดา
I
ของ
haven't
ดวง
seen
อะ
anything and I don't have a
พิเศษขึ้นได้
boyfriend
เพราะ
like
เธอ
Duang.
See,
แล้วก็เป็นเธออีกที่ทำให้
क्या?
Saying the Japan tour is kind of long and they have like have short in details and like dragged the Japan travel, which is actually not needed, but still they dragged it.
See, it's been 20 minutes and they're doing all the lovey things, and I'm like, बस करो यार, मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगी और.
And, so much details are not needed.
क्यों
It's
क्यों
done.
सिंगल फील करा रहे हो यार?
What's the point of showing us a
वही
3-day
तो.
tour of them in Japan being
ये
lovey-dovey?
कोई इनका व्लॉग थोड़ी है, ये
वही
सीरीज
लग
का
रहा है
एपिसोड
भाई,
है.
वही तो. That's what I'm saying. It's not a vlog कि हम लोग 3 दिन का उनका जापान ट्रिप देके बैठ के खत्म करो भाई.
Oh my god. I can see Shin, what the heck you are doing over there.
I was also noticing that, but it's a rage bait. I am going to kill. I'm going to kill someone today if they are rage baiting, bro.
This must be the longest kissing scene and makeout scene, whatever I have seen in real yet, right? What is happening, guys?
They won't give anything to us. Nothing.
พร้อม
Just
แล้วใช่ไหม
kissing.
Ah! No, seriously, क्यों इतना ज्यादा वेट करा के तब what did he give us? Nothing. I need some time though. He showed us for
For
so
nothing.
many fucking minutes and then showed us nothing.
Wasted our time for a detailed Japan trip of them and a detailed kiss, which we didn't want. We wanted something else, which you didn't give us. And wasted our time. And it's
I'm
why is it 22 minutes, 1 hour 22 minutes? It should have ended by before 1 hour if these things were not there.
एक कुत्ते
Ôi,
की कमी
And the
थी क्या
uncle.
कि आपको दूसरे कुत्ता लाना पड़ा
Why?
एक कुत्ता कम था क्या
गई नहीं थी। तूने मुझे याद दिला दिया।
सॉरी मैं आया मेरे दिमाग में अचानक से आया तुम क्या बोल रही थी सॉरी मुझे लगा तुम भी यही बोल रही हो
मैं बोल रही थी अंकल कैसे बन गया तूने
पता नहीं यार
अंकल
बच्चा
नहीं
मान
मैं
लिया
बोलने वाली थी कि ये अंकल कैसे बन गया ये तो उसका दोस्त है
हाँ
अंकल
हाँ,
कैसे
तो
अंकल कैसे बन गया माय गॉड
मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि एक कुत्ता संभाला नहीं जा रहा तुमसे दूसरा कुत्ता ले आए हो sorry and it made us feel so much single that
the
for
Japan
like
Japan
around the
tour
30
was
minutes
just for making us feel single nothing else
yeah for 30 minutes guys that was not needed and
like they were
they
they were
they,
literally giving us the itinerary of what they did if you are going for a
and
trip
then
to
the bed
Japan you
scene
should do
also
this
was not
yeah the NC scene was
that was a torture that was a
NC scene was
torture again
very rage baiting again and like very much
yeah yeah
like it's just not giving
I mean it could give but they are not giving it to us I don't know why yeah and then
if they were not going to give us then why did they have to drag the scene so much just
mm,
so that we have
then there then there was North Auto, little bit of North Auto scenes. That was good. They could have given more again. There was not much. And then Chin singing song for Dong. That was one best part.
absolutely
Yeah,
that's
that
all it
made me
was so
emotional.
it's basically a
Yeah,
vlog a music video and some bacha kucha
yes,
scenes in this
yeah,
episode
right. A
so
vlog, MV, and extra scenes.
extra
Yeah.
scenes and then the 12th episode ended with a like very much cringe scenes just like the first episode and it
Yeah.
ended
I mean, it was too much. Like,
too
way
much
too
like
much.
way too much
थोड़ा
detailing
बहुत
and
तो
way
I
too much
can.
dragging
हाँ,
which was not needed
yeah,
like they
yeah, yeah,
dragged it and made it
yeah.
a like very long episode which was really not needed
Hmm. Please, someone tell it to the director.
yeah, I complained I already complained in X about it I was so mad
Oh,
about
I
it I
know.
was so frustrated I had to yeah
Mhm.
so yeah you have anything else to say about the episode
No, that's it.
so
I am done.
we are done guys. So Duang with you, Duang and Chin are returning to their novels and all the other characters are returning to the novels. So we are ending the series of Duang with you here. So guys, it's been a long time. Like it's almost the like Dwang with you's like next year when everybody will be like Dwang with you's 1 year anniversary. It will be our channel's anniversary too because we started on that same day. So like it will be a very good thing to like celebrate it with a very good masterpiece like Dwang with you. Other than the first episode and the last episode, don't talk about that, but it's a masterpiece in between. So we loved it. And yeah, that is it, guys. That is it for this video, and that is it for Dwang with You series. We are signing off from the Dwang with You series, and we'll meet you in another series. Until then, bye bye. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're done with everything, wait for our next video. Until then, bye bye. Annyeong.
Bye bye.